What is up everyone, Ken, also known as Wiltshire here, and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to connect your Bluetooth headphones to your Nintendo Switch using a USB-C Bluetooth adapter, instead of using this 3.5mm adapter here. So we're just going to toss that off to the side. So let's get right to it. Before we get any further into this video, I just want to add, and not to waste anybody's time, you will be spending money in order to use Bluetooth headphones on the Nintendo Switch. There is Bluetooth built into the Nintendo Switch, however, it looks like Nintendo has reserved the Bluetooth connectivity for the Joy-Cons and Pro controllers. If you were hoping there was a free way of using Bluetooth headphones on the Nintendo Switch, unfortunately, and I hate to be the bearer of bad news, there is no free way to do that. With that said, the Bluetooth adapter that I'll be using today is the Creative BTW2. I chose this Bluetooth adapter for a few reasons. One, it supports PC, Mac, and PlayStation 4, so you can use it with other devices other than the Nintendo Switch if you want to. And the most important thing is it supports APTX low latency codec. Now you're probably scratching your head wondering what the heck is APTX low latency codec even mean? First, we'll start off with what an audio codec is. An audio codec is a method that a device uses to compress and decompress audio. The catch here is that some audio codecs take longer than others to compress and decompress audio, which can result in some synchronization issues when listening to audio via Bluetooth. To get a better idea of why APTX low latency codec is better, I'm going to bring up a graph on screen. Now, as you can see at the bottom there, the SBC codec, which is the codec that is used for most Bluetooth devices these days, has a latency of 250 milliseconds. Now, if we look at the APTX low latency codec on the right-hand side, you'll notice that there is a 40 millisecond delay. Now, the human brain has a hard time deciphering between a delay if it is between 0 and 100 milliseconds. So anything below 100 milliseconds, you won't really notice a difference in terms of synchronization from audio to video. Now, there is another catch with APTX. Unfortunately, your headphones has to support APTX, and there are very few headphones out there that support the APTX codec. If having the lowest latency possible is very important to you, you can go to this website here. It'll be linked in the description, and it will show you a list of all the headphones that do support APTX and APTX low latency codecs. With all that technical jargon out of the way, there is another thing that you're going to need. You're going to need a USB-C to USB-A adapter. The adapter I decided to go with was the Nuki 90-degree angle USB-C to USB-A. Now, the reason why we have to have an adapter is that we will be using the USB-C port on the bottom of the Switch, and the Creative BTW2 is not a USB-C device, so we just have to have a small little adapter in between. It should be mentioned that this USB-C to USB-A adapter is only needed if you plan on using Bluetooth headphones with the Switch while in portable mode. All you need to do is connect the BTW2 to the right angle USB-C adapter, plug those both into the USB-C port on your Switch, and your Switch will switch over to USB audio mode. After that, it's just a simple step of putting the Creative BTW into pairing mode and your Bluetooth headphones into pairing mode and waiting for the two to pair together. After the two are paired together, now you can feel free to game on without having any cables in your way. Now, you're also probably wondering, can I use this in docked mode as well? And the answer is yes. If you wish to use Bluetooth headphones on the Switch while in docked mode, it's as simple as taking the BTW2 and plugging it into a free USB port on the dock. Once you plug in the BTW2 in the dock of the Switch, you'll notice in the upper left-hand corner of your screen, there is a notification saying that USB audio mode is active. After that, it's simply just pairing the two together, and now you can enjoy your games on the big screen while using Bluetooth audio headphones. I also discovered while shooting this video that if you have a PlayStation wireless Bluetooth headset that has its own USB dongle, it does in fact work on the Switch just like the BTW2 does. So if you do have a wireless PlayStation headset, then you can save some money by not even having to purchase the BTW2. So that wraps up using Bluetooth headphones on your Nintendo Switch using a USB-C dongle, and I prefer this method over the previous method that I showed you using a 3.5mm Bluetooth converter box. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe for this video. I actually broke a TV filming this video. One of my lights actually fell over and hit the screen and it cracked it. I'll show you guys a picture of it on screen now. So yeah, leave a like for my misery and having to shell out $1,100 to get a new TV. Anyways, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.